Need to activate your StraightTalk service? I'll walk you through the process step by step, whether it's a new phone or SIM card. We'll cover online activation, using a new or existing number, and common issues you might face. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides. Things you'll need to activate StraightTalk service. 1. A StraightTalk SIM card or phone. 2. The SIM card number or IMEI for BYOP. 3. A Wi-Fi connection. 4. A credit/debit card if activating a plan. Let's start step-by-step activation process. Method 1. Online activation. The easiest way to activate is online. Here's how. 1. Open your browser and go to straighttalk.com/activate. 2. Click on Activate, then select your device type, new phone or BYOP SIM. 3. Enter your SIM card number or IMEI number. 4. Choose whether to get a new number or keep your existing number. 5. Select a StraightTalk plan or enter a service plan PIN if you already bought one. 6. Confirm and wait a few minutes for activation to complete. Once activated, restart your phone and check if you have service. If you don't see service right away, turn airplane mode on and OFF or restart your phone. Method 2. Activate by phone. If you prefer, you can also activate by phone. 1. Call from another phone. 2. Follow the voice prompts and enter your SIM card number or IMEI. 3. Provide your StraightTalk plan details. 4. Wait for activation to complete. If you're porting an existing number, the process might take a few hours. Here are some common activation issues and how to fix them. 1. No service? Restart your phone or toggle airplane mode on and off. 2. SIM not recognized? Check if the SIM is properly inserted and try again. 3. Transferring a number? Porting may take a few hours to 24 hours. 4. Still having trouble? Contact StraightTalk support at 1-877-430-2355. And that's it. Your StraightTalk phone should now be activated and ready to use. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.